Michael Vukovich here, and I'll be walking through, as part of this chat, who should be involved in helping to build your Salesforce roadmap. So, four main groups of people that you should be engaging with when looking to define what it is that we should be working on over the course of the next 1 to 2 to 3 years in Salesforce to ensure that your roadmap holds strategic value, aka people with money like it. It also holds trend, actual value in the form of it helps people do their job more effectively. I mean, at the end of the day, systems should be designed to help individuals do the best job that they can at their work. And hopefully, then, by virtue of accomplishing those two things, it also results in interesting work as well for the team that's actually going to be implementing it. So, who are those four different types of people? On the screen here, starting at the top, we have stakeholders. So, stakeholders are the piggy bank, they're the people that actually hold the budget and are going to be responsible for making go, no go decisions at a high level, focusing on budget and priorities. To be individuals that have access to budget, they have access to a P&L. Generally speaking, there's someone, director, vice president, or executive C-level. Power users are next. These are the people that are actively working in the system on a day-to-day basis. Generally speaking, you want to make sure you pull in those people that see potential, that are providing feedback, that are actively using Salesforce to accomplish certain tasks. They're going to be best positioned to speak to where there's potential in leveraging Salesforce. Product owners. This is the person at an organization that holds and understands what was built, why it was built, and for whom it was built across all of Salesforce. Sometimes that can be the same as a power user. Sometimes that can be the same as a system administrator. System administrators or Salesforce administrators, Salesforce developers. These are the people that perform hands-on keyboard work. They're the ones that actively develop and define what it is that Salesforce is built to do. So I'm going to dig into one of these profiles a little bit further because it's one that's oftentimes left out. So a lot of times we talk to people, we talk to developers, but we leave out the stakeholders, and these are the people that are really driving the high level direction of the organization and therefore should have a say in how Salesforce is going to be built to support that organization. Oftentimes we should be looking at, once again, C-level executives, vice presidents, directors, people with access to money. And they're the ones that are going to help define what is important. So what is it that Salesforce can do that can help the team improve and make it a higher likelihood that the team's going to hit their respective goals and outcomes. And the things that they need to know are, what can Salesforce do? How can Salesforce improve? That would help overcome challenges that I'm seeing either within the organization, that I'm seeing with certain personnel, or that I'm seeing within my marketplace. And then by virtue of leveraging Salesforce to overcome those obstacles, individuals hit their goals, and then the organization hits its goals. Hope this was helpful.